Thank you everyone for tuning in today's beginners yoga session. In today's yoga session, we are going to practice some of the asanas which will be helpful for strengthening your leg muscles, especially hamstrings. Okay, so to perform these yoga asanas, we might need a strap. If you don't have strap, that's fine. I'll show you some of the variations in these asanas. Okay, then let's start with our first yoga pose. And the first yoga pose is nothing but the Baddha Konasana Uttanasana. That is nothing but bound angle bend. So for that we have to bring your both the legs like this, like in butterfly pose, right, which we saw earlier session. Try to bring your knees down if you can. Okay, hold it, try to bring the knees down and push your body forward like this. Okay, I'll show you from the side how it is going to look like. Sit like this, try to bring your legs close to your body, hold nice and tight, try to bring the knees down, make sure your body is straight and push your body forward. Okay, let's do the same thing with the breathing technique. Okay, so what we are going to start, the starting pose will be bringing hands overhead. Okay, let's start. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale forward, exhale back. Let's do two more times. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale forward, exhale back. Let's do one more time. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale forward, exhale back. Perfect. The next yoga pose which we are going to do is nothing but seated forward hold or Paschimottanasana. For that we are going to stretch our legs like this. Okay, you might need a strap in this yoga pose. Okay, if you do not have, that's fine. I'm going to show you a variation to do that. So first I'm going to show you without using the strap, then I'm going to show you how to use the strap, and then I'm going to use the variation to perform the seated forward hold. Okay, for that again we have to make sure we are sitting straight. Okay, toes are pointing up, bring the hands over the head, and then you have to bring the hands forward like this. Make sure you're not hunching your back. Okay, this is one. The variation or the using the strap is nothing but we are going to hold the strap like this. Okay, for that again bring your hands up and down using the strap. Try to pull your hands back and the toes forward. Okay, and the variation of the same pose is nothing but you can bend your knees. Okay, if you can't reach to the toes, then you can bend your knees. Okay, hands over the head and then push body forward and then hold. So in this case your abdomen is touching to the thigh muscles. So like this. This is totally fine if you're a beginner. Okay, let's practice this with our breathing technique. I'm going to use strap just for the demo. Inhale up, exhale down, Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Perfect. Now the next asana we are going to do is nothing but seated twist. So for that, what we have to do, bend your left leg, okay, and put outside of your right knee. So my right knee is here and outside of right knee. Okay, bring your both the hands up. Okay, then the right hand will go back as much as you can, and then bend your left hand and try to touch your left knee and look back. You can look back like this. You can look towards your right shoulders. Then left hand up, right hand up, and stretch the leg. We are going to do the same thing on the other side. Bend your right leg, put outside of your left knee, bring your left hand back, bend your right hand, put on the right knee, look to your left shoulder. Right hand up, left hand up, straight your right leg and bring the hands down. Okay, let's do the same thing with the breathing. Inhale, both the hands up. Exhale, left leg outside right knee. Inhale, right hand back. Exhale, right hand to the knee, left hand to the knee, and look back. Inhale, up. Exhale, straight the leg. Inhale, right leg outside left knee. Exhale, left hand back and right hand on the right leg. Inhale, up. Exhale, straight the leg. Inhale, left leg outside right knee. Exhale, right hand back, left hand on the knee, look back. Inhale, up. Exhale, straight the knee. Inhale, bend the leg. Exhale, look back. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, namaste. Okay, so this is called seated twist. Okay, let's do the next yogasana. The next yogasana is nothing but head to knee. Okay, for that we can bring our right leg back and put like this, and make sure your foot is touching to your left thigh. Okay, and then you can slowly push your body forward and hold the left leg, and then try to touch your head to the knee. If you can't touch, that's fine. In the beginning it will be tough. When slowly you can bend, eventually then you will be able to touch the head to the knee. Okay, so let's start this yoga pose. Inhale, hands over the head and right leg to the left thigh. Exhale, slowly push your body forward and try to touch your head to knee. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's do the same thing for the left leg. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. I hope you are all doing good. Okay, the next yogasana is nothing but wide angle forward hold. Okay, for that you have to sit straight, make sure your legs are straight too, and try to bring your legs as much as wide you can. Okay, once you make it this wide, this as much as you can, bring your hands over the head and try to bring down and try to hold your big toes. Okay, that's the final pose. Okay, let's do the same thing with the breathing technique. Okay, hands over the head, inhale, exhale, hold the toes. If you can't hold the toes, you can hold the knees, that's fine. Just push your body forward. Okay, let's do it. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. I hope you enjoyed today's yoga session. If you like this yoga session, please do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you can see this every Saturday 9 a.m. Eastern Time yoga videos. So see you next time. Thank you. Namaste.